Hey, back.
What is he doing?
Parallel parking.
Parallel to what?
The whole neighborhood is falling apart these days.
Get out of here. Nothing works now that you're gone.
I brought you some food.
Okay, bye.
Are you always this unfriendly?
I am not unfriendly.
Okay, you're like a warm cuddle.
What is that?
Looks like he's yours now, Addo.
You're not taking over my bed.
You think you have to do everything on your own, but no one can.
I can't stand watching one idiot try to teach another how to drive. It's lesson time.
Thank you.
Clutch in and brake. Brake. The car is stopped.
I almost hit the car.
It's all right. It's a hybrid. My life was black and white before Sonia.
She's always gonna be with you, Otto. My father used to smile like that.
I'm not smiling.
Exactly.
I have a cat.